Alright, the next step is to go back into File Edit Wall and see if we can make it have 2 rows. So find your wall command, and then what we need to make this happen is we need to have a repeat in the repeat. Alright, so what we need to do is add another repeat, and I'm going to say repeat 4 because I want 4 rows on mine. And then we need to make X come back to 0 because X has to start over for the next row. Then we still have our same repeat all the way out here, but after the wall gets created, we have to make Y, which is the height, increase by 10. When you hit File, Save, and Exit, and do CS and do Wall 10, you will now have a stacked wall. Your challenge now is to see if you can figure a way so that it staggers instead of being exactly like that. So see what you can do, and have fun playing with advanced variables.